So the new positive case, we want to update you the COVID-19 in the state of Meghalaya till today. So today the new positive case in our state, only for today, the 29/7/2020, we have only 5 cases. East Casils, we have 2, that also from Armed Forces. 2, Reboy District 1, and West Garo Hills 2, that also from BSF. So total active cases, positive cases today in the state of Meghalaya, we have only 5.
After taking into considerations all inputs we got, be it from the district administration as well as from health department, as you all know that the total lockdown we reimposed 2 days back, which is due to end today evening at 12 o'clock, the government has decided not to extend the lockdown tonight from 12 midnight. There will be no more lockdown from the midnight of 29 July 2020. However, in the meeting, we decided that the random testing will be aggressively conducted in the entire state of Meghalaya. And this decision we taken long time back, I think few days back, where we decided by the government that random testing will be done through the 71 clusters as already informed to all of you. So the testing by antigen test will go on aggressively. That is the decision number 1 we taken today. Point number 2, we also decided in the meeting to appeal to all the concerned citizens of the state. Though the lockdown is lifted especially in Shillong agglomeration or Shillong urban area, people should not be complacent. They need to take care of themselves as notified by the state health department from time to time. I would therefore request on behalf of the government, all the citizens of Shillong agglomeration as well as the citizens of the state to kindly be vigilant and also stay safe by adhering in totality the protocols, SOPs issued by the government. This is for the safety of our state as a whole.